kung itinuturo po nila na Tomas Cloma ay siyang nag-discover ng Spratlys, ang dami pong bansa ang talagang nag-object. Yan. At lalong-lalo naman, hindi niya i-denonate. At yan daw ay formalized sa Presidential Decree 1596. Maling-mali po yun. Kahit basahin po ninyo yung PD 1596, wala pong sinasabi tungkol kay Tomas Cloma. Alam niyo, si Tomas Cloma was mentioned in the arbitral award only in pages 250 and 251. Sinasabi ng tribunal, a certain Filipino and his associates had some activities in this Spratlys, sabi niya. Yun lang, na-mention. Doon lang siya na-mention. And parang nagkataon lang na nakarating sa Ito Aba and nagkaroon lang ng konti sigurong kung ano-ano pinagagawa nila doon. It should not be distorted. Tomas Cloma is a seafarer. He's not a discoverer. In 1956, he proclaimed a freedom land. It's like a notice of claim. That was in 1956. And several countries objected to that. United Kingdom, the United States, Australia, Japan, China, and the Philippines. That is the history. Alam niyo kung bakit nag-object ang mga countries na ito? Because at that time in 1956, Spratly Islands is not considered terra nullius. Meaning, hindi siya undiscovered, hindi siya unoccupied. Alam po ba ito ni Senator Lacson, yung Administrative Order number 29? Hindi po kayo interesado sa isang bagay na napaka-importante sa ating bansa? Hanggang ngayon, hindi ma-drawing ang West Philippine Sea. Hindi kayo interesado? Ngunit ang sasabihin ko, interesado ang buong Pilipinas sapagkat ito, dito nakasalalay po kung sino nagsasabi ng totoo.